This is an instructional video on how to play "Oh Christmas Tree" on your ukulele in the key of C. So let's learn how to do that. We're going to go over the chords real quick. They're all pretty simple. We're going to use the C chord, obviously, and then we'll use the G7 chord, and then we're going to use the A minor chord right there on the top string. So pretty simple. There's not a lot to this except that it's in the 3/4, it's in a waltz feel. So let's just look at how the chords lay in that feel. And I think you guys can do this pretty easily, but let's just go through it chord by chord. We're going to start on C, and we're going to count 1, 2. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much when the chord changes every time. Let's do the second part. It's the third line. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. So my friends, I think you can do this. It's probably the first song you want to start with in terms of learning all the songs in the Ukulele Holiday Challenge. Super simple. Of course, O Tannenbaum is the older version. Lots of different versions of this song, lots of different words you could sing. Maybe you can write your own words or help some other people write words that are meaningful for them. That's something that I do as a music therapist with my groups, and maybe if you're a music educator, you do that as well. But anybody can do it. You just need a little time and attention and the right attitude, and you can have a lot of fun with songs like this. So I hope this helps you, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to get the song sheet and the play-along track, you can do that here at patreon.com/Kalani. If it's around the holidays and you want to participate in the Ukulele Holiday Challenge, you can do that by clicking the link below and maybe win an ukulele. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you get notifications. And thanks for being here. I'm Kalani. This is the Ukulele Club channel. I'll see you soon.